natural health for beginners.
In this detailed tutorial, learn how to craft your own anti-aging serum at home using precise quantities of natural and effective ingredients. This DIY approach ensures that you know exactly what goes into your skincare routine, offering a chemical-free and personalized solution to combat signs of aging. Key benefits of making your own anti-aging serum: cost-effective, create a high-quality product without breaking the bank. Natural ingredients, avoid synthetic additives and focus on nature's best. Customizable, tailor the serum to your specific skin type and concerns. Ingredients and quantities: jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons. A lightweight carrier oil that hydrates and balances the skin. Rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon. Packed with vitamins A and C, it helps reduce fine lines and boost skin elasticity. Vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon. A natural antioxidant that protects the skin from free radicals. Essential oils: frankincense, 5 drops, promotes cell regeneration and reduces wrinkles. Lavender, 5 drops, soothes and calms irritated skin. Aloe Vera Gel, 1 tablespoon. Hydrates and provides a refreshing, non-greasy base. Step-by-step instructions: in a small glass bowl, combine jojoba oil and rosehip oil. Add vitamin E oil and mix well. Gradually stir in aloe vera gel for a smooth consistency. Incorporate the essential oils, frankincense and lavender, and mix thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a dark glass dropper bottle to protect it from sunlight and preserve its potency. Application tips: cleanse your face thoroughly before use. Apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum to your face and neck. Massage gently in upward circular motions. Use daily, preferably at night, for best results. Why this serum works: the combination of natural oils and botanical extracts deeply nourishes the skin, fights oxidative stress, and promotes collagen production. With regular use, this serum can reduce fine lines, improve texture, and restore a youthful glow. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes and natural beauty tips. Share your results in the comments below. Your feedback is always appreciated.